Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the MCF Fast Badges feature in Amazon MCF by WebBee. This feature allows your Shopify store to display estimated delivery times for customers, enhancing their shopping experience with real-time information. To begin, open your Shopify store and navigate to the AMCF app by WebBee. Once there, head over to the Configuration section. Scroll down until you find the MCF Fast Badges option. To enable this feature, simply select Yes in the settings. Once enabled, the MCF Fast Badges will show the estimated delivery time on your website. Next, we'll customize the placement of the MCF Fast Badge. Go to the online store under your sales channels and select Customize from the theme settings. This will allow you to modify how and where the MCF Fast Badge appears. Using the theme editor, go to the product section via the drop-down menu, choose a product and click Add Block. Under Apps, select the MCF Fast Badge option. Once the block is added, you can drag and drop it to your preferred location on the product page. After positioning the Fast Badge, don't forget to save your changes. To preview how it looks on the live website, return to the online store theme page and click Preview. Select a product and you'll see the estimated delivery time displayed on the product page. You can test the feature by entering different zip codes to ensure it's working properly. For further customization, head back to the Configuration section. Here, you can choose a specific color from the Fast Badge color settings or input a custom color code that matches your store's theme and branding, making the badge blend seamlessly with the overall design of your website. And that's it! Now your customers will be able to see estimated delivery times on your store, thanks to the MCF Fast Badges feature in Amazon MCF by WebBee. This simple yet effective tool enhances the customer experience and provides valuable shipping information right where it matters. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you fully utilize the Fast Badges feature. Be sure to explore more of WebBee's tools to optimize your e-commerce business.